you have the Cricut Icon 2. It looks like this. Camera, vent, says Cricut, and you've had it for a little while, and you're wondering if you can make it go faster, run faster. It's starting to feel like it's slow. The answer is yes. So outside of a few maintenance things that you should already know how to do, which is go to your storage, clean out trash and junk, free up space, do that, okay? That's the first thing to do. The second thing is very cool. We're going to go into developer options, and we're going to actually make the software of the phone run faster. So we're going to do it first on this phone. This is the Icon 2. This is the Icon 3. We'll compare it to the Icon 3 when we're all the way done making the changes here. And then if you want to be done, and leave in the comments if you've done it and if you like how your phone runs, please do that. The next thing we'll do after that is that we'll log back into the developer options, and we'll turn everything off in case we don't like it. So let's jump in. All right, let's get to settings. Most people like to scroll up once and get into settings. Inside settings, we're going to go to About Phone, touch About Phone. Inside About Phone, you're going to look all the way down to build number. You're going to touch build number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see that message? 6, 7. You should see that. You are now a developer. Okay, if you don't get that message, it means your phone's already in developer mode, or you just need to touch it a few more times. All right, now that we're done with that, it might have been down way low on the screen. That's all right. All right, let's go back into settings, touch system, now touch advanced, and there it is, developer options. Jump into developer options. It should be on by default here, okay? And then the important thing here is to don't touch things you don't understand. If you accidentally touch something like that, just undo it. Or if you touch something and it says, hey, confirm, and you don't know anything about it, just press cancel, because we're scrolling a long ways down. We're going to touch the screen a lot. So let's start. We are looking for a heading. See how that heading says debugging? We're looking for one called drawing. That one says networking. Input should be next after a while. Input, and now drawing. There we are, drawing. Okay, now the thing that you need, before we do anything, we need to see that the default is 1x. Okay, the default is 1x, so when we come back, if you don't like how your phone runs, we can change it back. All right, all you have to do is touch them. Some people say, don't make it a bigger number, because then your phone will go way slower. Some people say try 0.5. You can do that if you want. I like to turn the animation all the way off. Okay, let's do it again. Transition animation scale all the way off. Animator duration scale all the way off, and we're done. Now touch home. Now, with your own eyes, see how much quicker the phone runs. Now, we're just going to open the phone. Beep. All right, no data connection. All right, that's not a good example because, it just reset these phones. I want you to observe. Maybe your eyes did see how this one turned right on. Watch this one blink off, and watch this one slowly close. Do it again. Do it again. Let's bring up Messenger. Oh, I don't like that this is messing up my timing. No data connection. All right, let's close it and watch with your own eyes how this one blinks off, beep, and this one closes slowly. Let's do camera. This one's already, allow, yes. Okay, let's close camera. Blinks right off, does an animation. It's a little bit slower. Let's do camera one more time. Already ready to go. Camera usually, when I compare, it's kind of similar, but the biggest one, I think, is the phone. This one just blinks right on, blinks right off. So if you're someone who uses your phone a lot, you switch back and forth between taking a phone call, sending a message, making a video, upload a video, back to messages, and you're in and out of different apps, this is going to make your phone, these changes are going to make your phone feel quicker, snappier, and faster. If you do make the changes and you like how your phone works, leave a comment and appreciate that. So for those of you who like this, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Now, if you want to stick around and see how to undo the changes, let's do that now. Let's jump back into settings. Settings. We're going to jump all the way to System, Advanced, and touch Developer Options again. Again, being careful just to scroll and not turn on and off other settings. We're going to look for, there's networking. We're going to look for, what is it? Drawing. There's input and there's drawing. Now we're just going to change them all back, and the default was, right, 1x. The default on transition animation scale, right, 1x. And animator duration scale, the default 1x. Now we're completely done. Now if you're nervous that your kids or someone else or you might forget about developer options and change software in the phone that you don't understand, go all the way to here and toggle off. Oops. All right, well, let's go ahead and read this warning while we're here. These settings are intended for development use only. They can cause your device and the applications on it to break or misbehave. Okay, so that's what we want to know. So we can turn that off. And that's it. And now when you go back to settings, it doesn't even show up as an option anymore. Go to system. Oh, no, reset. But there's no advanced options now inside system. So they're all the way off. All right. Hopefully you've learned something today about making your phone go a little bit faster and your Icon 2 a little more enjoyable to work with. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.